What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. After the bullshit with the bike, I needed like, some good vibes. So I figured I'd come out to the farm and we'd start cleaning the inside of the truck out. And I'm also, oh, my mirror's broken. I went to rotate my mirror and it was cracked. Anyways, I'm also gonna pop the hood here and I'm gonna get the spark plugs out, spray the cylinders with some WD-40, and so that way when I come back in a few days and put a battery to it, we're about to see what happens. So hopefully, but yeah, we're gonna start. Let me flip it around so you guys can see like a before here. We're gonna start this side and I'm gonna just vacuum all of the dead stuff, right? I don't know how a bird got in here, but I'm just gonna start vacuuming and vacuuming until I get get it all out of here. It stinks real bad still, real bad. I got my gloves, so be able to get this bird shit. Like, how the hell is there bird shit? I guess there was a bird in here. Crazy, eh? Yeah, we'll get all that cleaned up. So then we'll be back to see what she looks like. Can't wait. It's a long time coming. I also brought my leaf blower too. Thanks for the comment. Alright guys, got the vacuum out, the bags, the extension cord, leaf blower, my tools, WD-40, got the hood open. I was already dicking around a bit and trying to get the hood hinges to, work. One side seems to want to. That side over there seems a little stiff yet, but this side seems to want to go, so which is good because I don't really want to taco the hood yet. I will eventually put a cowl hood on it for what I want to do, but yeah, it's about as low as we're gonna have it when it's ready to go, I think. I'm thinking a 4-6, 4 in the front, 6 in the back. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna hook up the leaf blower, blow all this shit off of here. And then we'll be back to I'll pull the spark plugs out and I'll spray the holes with some WD-40 and then I'll get to the interior. Gross, I don't want to get to the interior. Oh well. Alright guys, so you can see I got it really cleaned up underneath the hood here. Well, as clean as you can for an old truck. I used the leaf blower and the vacuum and blew everything off, went up above the cowl there and got rid of all that mud and gunk and shit as much as I could. So, and it's actually, cab's in really good shape, so I'm happy there. Went and pulled number 1 spark plug. See if it'll zoom in here. Hang on, let me zoom. There. Yeah, she's looking pretty gross. So, yeah. Hopefully this thing, we'll get fresh spark plugs for it as well, but I don't think these ones are actually going to fire. So I'll have to get some fresh plugs for it. But for now, I'm going to, actually I might have some in my, I have a set in my other motor. I'm going to have to go get them. Anyways, yeah, well, oh, it broke. Shit. Well, that one's just going to be going in as a plug, I think. So, anyways, let me spray some WD-40 in and I'll be back. Alright guys, I just got back from over there. Turned out the farm cat had kittens. So, real cute, 2 calico ones and 2 little orange and white ones. So, really cute. Anyways, we got 1 left here to go. It's starting to rain actually, which is kind of fucking weird. I got 1 left right there to go. I've only got 2 of them that broke. That one and I guess number 1 and number 2 both broke. They were pretty tight, but I got them. So like I said, I got 1 more left to spray and then it's off to the interior, guys. Oh, also, when I was over by the barn, I found another beauty ring. So check it out. Got it ringed up. So both rear tires now have beauty rings, but front tires went flat. So I'm looking for 3 235/75/15s for this thing. So if anybody knows where I get some, comment down below. This one back here is still not bad, but I need 3. So yeah, let's get a beauty ring too. Then I gotta find the beauty rings for the front too. Otherwise, I can maybe take them off that blue truck if it has them still on it. I think it might. So I don't know. We'll see, guys. But I better get this done before it starts raining. All right, guys. Got everything done underneath the hood. Got the hood closed up again. Check this out, man. Check out this sun. Let's see if I can get around here. That's crazy, eh? Sunsets at the farm are just perfect. But anyways, back on the truck. Now, I get the privilege of starting to vacuum it out. So, wish me luck, guys. We're going to start on the seat and work our way down, I think. Or start up here on the dash and work our way down. So, take a last look at it. Let me set my beer there, because, you know, it's at the farm. So we do at the farm, have farm beers. So, having a bonfire and cooking. So, yeah, here we go. I'm going to put my gloves on. I'm going to pull the mats out, and we're going to start giving her. A lot of the stuff I'm just going to throw in the back here for now. So, oh, look, I got some scrap metal and stuff back here. I wonder if somewhere in here at all, under any of this shit, is that gas cap. I don't know, but we'll find out. We're going to start right now. Alright, folks. Just did this driver's side quick. As you can see, the steering wheel's still a little bit sticky, but it'll be like that for a bit. So everything's vacuumed up pretty much. Just needs a good wipe down and a good blowout. But the seat's all good. So this original seat, like I might be able to get it recovered in the original fabric. If I can find the original seat cover, because all the foam's all good. Everything's good, so we can save this seat. Thank God. Right? So, because I want to keep the interior to be original. That's the key. Everything else will be changed, but this will be original. The floors, as you can see, I'm going to take the mats off, the rubber floor matting out of it when I bring it home, and see exactly what I'm dealing with for rot. Guess I need floor pans, but that's not a big deal for what I have planned. So next, I'm going to vacuum out that side, and we will see what it looks like all said and done, guys. I might do the back behind the seat here. I'm not sure yet. So, but it's getting dark, right? It's getting late. So, but that's where we're at so far. It's totally looks so it looks so much cleaner and so much better. Oh, hopefully it'll help with the smell too. So stay tuned. We're almost done. And like that, folks. This side, it's harder to tell on camera, but it's a lot cleaner than it looks. Yeah, the seat came out actually really good. There was a bunch of really shitty, like, there was a fabric or something that was on here for like last 20 years, and it started to break down, and the cotton started getting into the fabric, so you can see like the white discoloration. I was vacuuming, you can still see some of it like that, right? I was fucking giving her on there like crazy to try to get that off of there. This is the best I can do for now until I can hit it with the green machine that I used on the Tahoe. But like I said, I'm gonna get these seats recovered in the original style, original pattern. This is just trying to get the stink out of it so that when we bring it to the shop, you know, we're not dying of fucking mouse stink. So, but that's where we're at right now. Gonna have a beer and we'll finish up on it. I am so stoked. It's looking so good in there, guys. Like, so good. I can't wait to drive this thing again. Alright, folks. As you can see, she got dark out pretty quick. We did everything we wanted to, and also, as you can see, too, it started to rain a bit. So, but as you can see, you know, we got everything done that we wanted to do. The inside of the truck. It's just, oh. It reminds me of, it brings back a lot of memories, guys. I'm kind of choking back a bunch of tears seeing the truck the way it is, right? Like, just, yeah, I mean, it brings me back a lot of memories of me and my grandfather. Actually, that's that wear mark in the door panel there, that's from his knee. So, and I'm surprised the seat's not worn out more than it is. But, yeah, she's all good to go. So you can see some Bondo cracking, but we're going to be fixing a bunch of that. Got the rally wheel, or the rally rim, or ring on the wheel. I gotta polish them and stuff like that. Not a big deal. End gates down on the ground. Still gotta clean out the box here. But yeah, it's... Look at this. Look at the sky, guys. This is why I love it out here. Look at it. It's just... It's perfect. It's perfect. Like, as far as the eye can see, it's perfect. So, but anyways, this side we got this beauty ring on. That one was on from the beginning, so I just need to find 2 more for the front, which I'm pretty sure are on the truck way right there, out yonder. So when I zoom in, it goes black, so but that's where we're gonna leave it today, guys. I'm so stoked. We got all this interior clean. Look at that. And it actually doesn't smell as mousy as it did, which is really good. I'm going to close the windows up on it, probably throw some bounce sheets in it, and then we'll get it back to town as soon as we can. There's the emblem for the dash here I found in the glove box, which is awesome. So we can put that back on. We're missing one of these guys here. And I'm missing the one for the 0, but I might be able to 3D print those. So, or actually Holly sells them as well. So that's good. A lot of the parts on this truck right now I can buy off of Holly's website. They have their classic truck division, so I'm going to be contacting them about all the parts I need for this thing. Yeah, you can see all the bugs, eh? That time of year, folks. So, I think I mentioned what I'm going to do suspension-wise. 4-inch drop in the front, 6-inch with a C-notch and an axle flip in the rear. I've priced everything out with Summit. It's about 600 bucks Canadian. So, guys, hit that Patreon up. Keep getting those subs up, and then we'll be able to afford that kind of stuff, and we'll be able to make this truck something that I never would have, well, I dreamed of when I was a kid, but never expected as an adult. So, and I'm thinking too of deleting the rain gutters, like the drip rails, right? I can unbolt unscrew them and then just fill the holes. So, and that brings me to another thing. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm going to be buying another welder here at the end of the month. One of those MIG, it's like a MIG and plasma cutter combo. So, watch out. We got lots of crazy shit happening. But with that, I'm going to end the video. Yeah, it's really, really dark. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yeah, after the bullshit with the bike, I just had to get my mind off of it and had to do something that actually meant more to me than, just wrenching. And as you can see, look at it in there, guys. You can almost sit it is clean enough to drive it. Like if the motor would start, if it would start, it's clean enough to fucking hop in it and drive, which is cool as hell. The gauge cluster needs to be addressed. You can't see the gauges, but that's another video. So, anyways, I'm gonna head back to town. It's getting really late. Kids got school tomorrow, so I just want to thank you guys again so much. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the video, we have a Patreon. Sorry, there's something really fucking sharp at the bottom of my flashlight. Just stabbed me in the hand. We have a Patreon. If you want to help us out, there's a link down in the description usually. We have a submail. If you got address too, if you guys want to send us, anything, we got it all set up for that too. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Haley did get some TikToks, so check that out as well. But yeah, until next time, guys, which I think might be next video, might be the last car show of the year. So to find out where that is, you're gonna have to tune in next time. Alright guys, take care of yourselves, love you, God bless.